Ever heard about the superfood called breadfruit? No? Well, you're in for a treat. This versatile tropical delight hails from the Moraceae family and is known for its wide-ranging adaptability. Breadfruit has made its home in various parts of the globe. We're talking about regions as diverse as South and Southeast Asia, the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, the vibrant Caribbean, Central America, and even the vast continent of Africa. This fruit isn't picky about where it grows, and perhaps that's part of its charm. It's a globe-trotter, much like some of us aspire to be, but it doesn't just stop at being a well-traveled fruit. The breadfruit holds within its humble exterior an array of surprises that are sure to pique your interest. So, you might ask, what's so special about this fruit? Let's dive into that. Breadfruit is not just a fruit, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Now let's delve into the nutritional facts that make this tropical wonder so impressive. First off, we have fiber. Breadfruit is particularly high in this essential nutrient, which is vital for good digestion and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. A high-fiber diet can also help manage your blood sugar levels, making breadfruit a great choice for those with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Next up, we have essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of proteins, which are crucial for virtually every bodily function, from building muscle to maintaining healthy skin and hair. Breadfruit provides a good dose of these indispensable nutrients, making it a perfect addition to any diet. But the nutritional goodness doesn't stop there. Breadfruit is also a rich source of several vitamins, including vitamin C, B1, and B5. Vitamin C, as we all know, is a potent antioxidant that boosts immune function and promotes healthy skin. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, is essential for energy production and nerve function, while vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, aids in the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. And let's not forget about the minerals. Breadfruit is packed with potassium, a key mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. It also contains copper, which plays a vital role in producing red blood cells and maintaining healthy bones and immune function. So, there you have it. Breadfruit is not just a tasty tropical treat, but a nutritional superstar, brimming with fiber, essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. And guess what? All these nutrients contribute to a myriad of health benefits. Intrigued? Stay with me. Now let's talk about some of the amazing health benefits of this superfood. Breadfruit, a tropical delight from the Moraceae family, is a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly enhance your health. It's not just a delicious treat, it's a boon for our bodies. Starting with the heart, breadfruit is a friend to your ticker. Enriched with potassium, it helps maintain heart rate and blood pressure, promoting overall cardiac health. It's a natural and tasty way to keep your heart beating strong. Next, let's discuss its role in managing diabetes. The high fiber content in breadfruit aids in controlling blood sugar levels. It slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and falls, making it a beneficial addition to a diabetic diet. Digestive health is another area where breadfruit shines. It's rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents constipation. It helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, contributing to overall gut health. On to the skin now. Breadfruit is packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that enhances skin health. It helps in the production of collagen, keeping your skin firm, vibrant, and youthful. Breadfruit also plays a vital role in boosting immunity. Its high vitamin C content aids in warding off common illnesses and infections, keeping you healthy and active. For those conscious about their weight, breadfruit is an excellent choice. It is low in calories, yet high in fiber, making you feel full and satisfied without overindulging. The benefits don't stop there. Breadfruit contributes to maintaining bone health thanks to its copper and calcium content. It strengthens your bones and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. It also aids in vision. The vitamin A in breadfruit promotes eye health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. And if you're looking for an energy boost, look no further. Breadfruit is a rich source of complex carbohydrates, providing you with a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Now you understand why it's called a superfood, right? But wait, there's more. Did you know breadfruit can be used in so many ways? Breadfruit is not just a simple tropical fruit, it's a culinary chameleon. This versatile fruit can be consumed at different stages of maturity, each offering a unique taste and texture. When it's young and tender, it's perfect for making soups or stews, imparting a delightful, subtle flavor. As it matures, it develops a starchy texture similar to a potato, making it ideal for roasting, frying, or boiling. And when it's fully ripe, breadfruit becomes sweet and creamy, a perfect addition to desserts or smoothies. But this fruit's versatility doesn't stop there. For those who love baking, breadfruit offers an amazing alternative. It can be dried and ground into a flour that is gluten-free. This flour has a light, slightly sweet flavor that works wonderfully in bread, cakes, pancakes, and other baked goods. It's a great alternative for those with celiac disease, or anyone looking to add a touch of tropical flair to their baking. It's also a staple in many cultures, used in a wide range of traditional dishes. From the Pacific Islands to the Caribbean, breadfruit is a key ingredient in many local cuisines, prized for its ability to absorb flavors and add a unique texture. In addition to its culinary uses, breadfruit has been used traditionally for its medicinal properties. The leaves, bark, and latex have been used to treat a range of ailments from skin infections to toothaches. Incredibly versatile, isn't it? But that's not all. Even the World Health Organization recognizes the potential of this superfood. The global health body acknowledges breadfruit for its remarkable nutritional profile, rich in essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. They particularly highlight its potential to manage diabetes, boost cardiac health, and its role as a gluten-free alternative for individuals with celiac disease. That's all about breadfruit, folks. A versatile superfood packed with nutrients and health benefits. So, when are you giving it a try?